What's up everybody, this is Nick with Red Cowboy Media. In this video today, we're going to be doing a product review on the new shocks that I bought from a Honda Forza 350. The shocks that I purchased were called the Racing Boy VD series, which are known to be really good on the Honda bikes. Now, what I did today was mount this GoPro 9 to the back of my license plate so that you guys can see a full view of my shocks as I drive the bike throughout the mountains here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Now over here is the actual mounting bracket that I had attached to my license plate. So the view of the shock will roughly be something like this. So you'll be able to see the spring being compressed over bumps and also how it performs during turns and stuff. In this video, it's strictly gonna be footage of my shock. So that's all you're gonna see is how they work. Now, I'm gonna be driving through some windy roads, I'm gonna be driving through some bumpy roads and some straightaway as well. So you guys are more than welcome to take a look and see if this Racing Boy shock is good for you or not. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to do a review and my opinion on what I think about the shocks themselves. So you guys want to join me on this little ride? Feel free, because here we go. Come on y'all, let's go. Alright y'all, we just got back to the house. My review on the Racing Boy VD series shocks are gonna be a thumbs up. There was no issues whatsoever that I faced going up the mountain and back down. I felt very comfortable riding the bike over bumps. I felt very comfortable on the winding roads and especially on the straightaways. It was all good. The traction control never had any issues whatsoever. The back tire wasn't lifting off the ground and it was like night and day compared to the original Honda shocks that came with this bike. So would I recommend these shocks to you guys out there? For sure I would. Now, there are other shocks out there like the YSS and the Olins and probably some other brands as well. I haven't had a chance to actually try those shocks out. But am I happy with the Racing Boys? Yes. There's still plenty of room for adjustments. I could change the gas as well. I could make the spring stiffer. I could actually swap out the spring and add another spring that came in the box if I want a stiffer ride. So overall, I think they're pretty good. So all you guys out there, if you're planning to upgrade your shocks, definitely, man. Racing Boy, there's no issues whatsoever and the price isn't too high. So I hope you guys liked this video and it was able to kind of explain what my opinion was on the shocks. If you guys want to go buy them, go for it. If you guys are going to end up buying some other shocks, please do let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you guys smash that like button down there and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys at the next one. Red Cowboy signing out. Bye bye y'all.